everyone, I'm gonna show you how to use Friendster on Android and iPhone. So right now, Friendster is only available for iPhone users. You can download it from the App Store, but there's currently no Android version available on the Google Play Store. So on iPhone, let's open the App Store and let's click the search bar and search for Friendster. So let's click on it. Click the second one and click the cloud icon to install the app. So once downloaded, open it, then sign in or create an account. So Friendster would like to send you notifications, click on allow or don't allow, whatever you prefer. Agree to the terms and privacy policy, then click on continue. And you're now signed in into Friendster. So at the moment, you can't download Friendster on Android because there's no official Android app yet. If you see APK files or unofficial downloads online, please be careful since they may not be safe or officially supported. So the developers may release an Android version later, but no official date has been announced yet. And that's basically how you can install Friendster on your mobile. So if you want to uninstall Friendster, you can just close the app and press and hold the app and click on delete app. Then tap on delete once more and the app will be deleted. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.